Now we're going to move on to the October-November component of the topical past papers. Here we have question number 21 from 2018, variant number 2 from paper 1. Part A says evaluate 9 power 1 plus 9 power 0. Fairly simple. 9 power 1 is 9 and 9 power 0 is 1. So our answer is 10. The next part says find n where 4 power n equals 2 power n minus 1. So here we can either we need to make 4 into 2 power 2 so that it becomes the base number becomes same in both sides of the equation. This is going to become 2 power 2 whole power n equals 2 power n minus 1. Then we'll multiply these two powers. So we're going to write this as it is. Just as in the previous questions, if the base number is same, we can cancel them out. So 2n equals n minus 1. These are the powers. Let's solve this further. 2n minus n equals minus 1. N equals minus 1. That's our answer. This next question is from October-November variant 1 from paper 1 of 2018. The question number is 14 and part A says evaluate 1 over 3 whole power 0 minus 1 over 3 squared. Right off the start we can see 1 over 3 whole power 0 will become 1, so no need to use any rule. Then 1 over 3 power 0 will become 1 squared over 3 squared. 1 squared is 1 and 3 squared is 9. So 1 minus 1 over 9. This will become 8 over 9 and that's our answer. Part B says simplify 27 over x power 6 whole power minus 1 over 3. So straight away we can see if it's whole power minus, we can flip the numerator and the denominator. That's going to give us x power 6 over 27 whole power 1 over 3 because the minus has been used now. Then to make things easier for us, we need to write 27, which is also which can also be called 3 cube because 3 cube is 27. So we're going to write that as 3 cube whole power 1 over 3. Now let's just we can multiply or use it as cube root, but I'm just going to multiply it as such. 6 into 1 over 3 over 3 cube into 1 over 3. 3 and 3 will cancel. 6 will become 2. It's going to become x squared over 3, and that's our answer. This next question is from October-November 2017 paper 1 variant 2. Question number 12. It first tells us that a power x is presumed to be 5. Part A says we need to find a power 2x. We can do it in multiple ways. We can do this as either we can use we can make a power 2x into this and then substitute 5. This will make 5 squared and 25. Or we can use this equation here, a power x equals 5, and if we whole square this entire equation, that's going to bring us a power 2x equals 5 squared, which will give us 25. Either way the answer is the same. B part says find a power minus x. A power minus x will become 1 over ax. We can write this as that, and since a power x is given as 5, our answer will be 1 over 5. This next question is from October-November of 2017, variant 1 of paper 1, question number 2. Part A says evaluate 9 squared minus 9 power 0. 9 power 0 is 1 and 9 squared is 81. So it's going to be 81 minus 1 and the answer will be 80. The next part is B. It says evaluate 9 power minus 1 over 2. Since it's minus, it's automatically going to go into the denominator, and 1 over 2 is square root, so square root of 9, which is 1 over 3, and that's our answer. This next question is from October, remember, of 2016, paper 1, variant 2. Question number 16, part A says evaluate 3 squared plus 3 power 1 plus 3 0. 3 squared is 9, 3 power 1 is 3, and 3 power 0 is 1. So our final answer is 13. Part B says evaluate 4 over 3 whole power minus 2. The minus is going to automatically take the denominator into the numerator space and vice versa. So it's going to be 3 over 4 whole power 2. 3 power 2 is 9 and 4 power 2 is 16, and that's our answer. Part C says simplify 16y power 6 whole powered 1 over 2. So I'll write 16 as 4 power 2 to make the question easier. Y power 6 whole powered 1 over 2. 2 into 1 over 2 is 1, so that leaves us with 4 power 1. Y is powered 6, so 6 into 1 over 2 is 3, so y cube. That's our answer. The next question is from October, November 2016, paper 1, variant 2. Question number 8, part A says evaluate 2 cube minus 2 power 0. 2 cube is 8 and 2 power 0 is 1, so our answer is 7. Part B says simplify 12xy over 9x squared. I'm going to separate the numbers and the variables, so 12 over 9, and then x, I'm going to use the division rule here, x power 1 minus 2, and then y will remain as it is. So 12 over 9 is 4 over 3, x power minus 1, y. X will go into the denominator because its power is minus 1, 4y over 3x, and that's our answer. Our next question is from October, remember, 2015, paper 1, variant 2. Question number 11, part A says evaluate 3 over 2 whole power 0. This is automatically 1 because anything power 0 is 1, as we learned in the 0 rule. So that's the answer to part A. Part B says evaluate 3 over 2 whole power minus 1. As I explained in some previous questions, when there's a fraction whole power with a minus, the numerator and denominator will switch places. So our answer will be 2 over 3. Simply, that's our answer. Part C says simplify 9x cube whole square. 9 square is 81. This is fairly simple. And x cube into square, x cube into 2 will become x power 6. That's our answer. Last question is from October, remember, 2015, paper 1, variant 1. Question number 14a says evaluate 9 power minus 1 over 2. I think we did a similar question before. It's very simple. The minus will cause the 9 to go into the denominator. It will become 1 over 9 power 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is basically square root, and square root of 9 is 3. So our answer is 1 over 3. Part B says evaluate 10 cube minus 10 power 0. 10 cube is 1000 and 10 power 0 is 1. So 1000 minus 1. This is going to leave us with 999 as our answer. Part C, the last part, says solve x power 3 over 2 equals 8. The simple way of solving such questions is to somehow make the power of x into 1. How do you do that? If you notice, we need to multiply 3 over 2 with 2 over 3 to make it 1. Let me just write this here over here to make it simpler. When you multiply 2 over 3, it cancels both of the numbers in the numerators and denominators, which leaves us with 1. So that's going, but we can't only multiply the power over here, we need to multiply it over here as well, so, because that's how equations work. So when we make this into 1, we will make this 8 power 1 into 2 power 3, which is going to become 8 power 2 over 3. 8 power 2 over 3 can be written as 8 squared squared, and cube root. 8 squared is 64 and cube root of 64 is 4, and that's our answer.